Let us present to you the future of mesotherapy, Revitalize Essence. It has an optimized potential to hydrate the tissues with added cross-link technology to give much longer-lasting results. Our unique formula provides immediate and long-lasting hydration, restoring the skin's elasticity and radiance. It combines the rejuvenating properties of high-quality mesotherapy serum with physical smoothing effects of dermal fillers. It has both high and low-density molecules, perfectly balanced to give optimum hydration coupled with a robust viscosity. It can be a perfect solution for dehydrated, wrinkled, sagging skin that needs a double effect. Let's see the ingredients of our unique Revitalize Essence serum. Sodium hyaluronate cross-polymer offers sustained hydration by forming a protective barrier on the skin. Sodium acetylated hyaluronate enhances skin elasticity and smoothness. Hydrolyzed sodium hyaluronate provides deep hydration and improves skin texture. Sodium hyaluronate, a powerful humectant that attracts and retains moisture in the skin. Revitalize Essence is non-injectable serum. It is important to note that you are not suggested to mix with other serums to maintain its efficiency. It comes in 2 vials of 5 ml each, providing an advanced hydrating treatment. We recommend watching our educational video about the treatment before care to-dos and after care to-dos as well. We are preparing 2 to 3 ml Revitalize Essence serum. The amount really depends on your patient's skin condition. After drawing out the appropriate amount of the serum, we pull out the air and we can put back the needle cap until we start the procedure. Revitalize Essence serum is suitable for application on the hands, face, neck, décolleté and body. For best results, use Revitalize Essence every 2 weeks for a minimum of 4 and maximum of 8 sessions in a row. Maintaining protocol is 1 session every month. With Revitalize Essence serum, the microneedling technique obtains the best aesthetic results with less trauma for the patient. But it can be also used with mesogun, electroporation device or ultrasound device. The use of professional beauty equipments and aesthetic procedures always depends on your country's regulations. Please check those or contact your local distributor for more information. We recommend watching our other educational videos, which is essential when we are talking about microneedling treatments. We have the videos about the before care to-dos, the different microneedling techniques, treatment steps, and the aftercare. Furthermore, you will also find separate videos for each of our Revitalize serums where we can take the most information in detail. Thank you for your attention. If you like this video, follow us on Instagram at MyMedAesthetics, Facebook at MyMedAesthetic, YouTube MyMedAesthetics for more educational videos.